everyone, my name is Christine Emmanuel Arsenal from grade 12 STEM C, and today I will share you about what I learned about continuity at a number. Now, let's determine if the function is continuous or discontinuous. The function f is said to be continuous at the number a if and only if the following three conditions are satisfied. What are these three conditions? Number 1, f of x must exist. Number 2, lim f of x as x approaches to a exists. Number 3, lim f of x as x approaches to a is equal to f of x. If one or more of these three conditions fails to satisfy, then the function f is said to be discontinuous at a. Example number 1. F of x equals 8x squared plus x minus 3 as x approaches to 5. Now, let's solve this problem. First condition, f of c must be exist. So now, let's substitute 5 to the x. So, f of 5 equals 8 quantity 5 squared plus 5 minus 3. So, equals 8, then 5 times 5 equals 25 plus 5 minus 3. The answer is 8 times 25 equals 200. Plus 5 is 205, minus 3, 202. So the final answer is 202. The first condition is satisfied. Now, let's proceed to condition number 2. Lim f of x as x approaches to a exists. So, lim 8x squared plus x minus 3 as x approaches to 5. So, equals 8 quantity 5 squared plus 5 minus 3 equals 8, bring down 8, then 5 times 5, 25 plus 5 minus 3. The answer is 8 times 25 equals 200 plus 5 minus 3 is 202. So, the number 2 condition is satisfied. Let's proceed to condition number 3. F of 5 is equal to f of 202. Since the three conditions are satisfied, f of x equals 8x squared plus x minus 3 is continuous at x equals 5. Example number 2. F of x equals negative 3x squared plus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 4, and x minus 2 if x is less than 4 as x equals to 4. Now, let's solve this problem. First condition, f of c exists. So, let's substitute f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 5. So, f quantity 4 equals negative 3 quantity 4 squared plus 5 equals negative 3, 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 5. The answer is equals negative 48 plus 5 is equal to negative 43. Let's proceed to condition number 2. Lim negative 3x squared plus 5 as x approaches to 4 equals negative 3 quantity 4 squared plus 5 equals negative 3, 4 times 4, 16 plus 5 equals negative 43. The other one is lim x minus 2 as x approaches to 4 equals 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now that they are different, the limit does not exist. Therefore, the function is discontinuous at x equals 4. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.